What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from, this ain't my car. Is this the first striker on the channel? Wait, did Kicks buy another car? No, we're just babysitting for the day. You guys possibly might remember this car. It's been in the channel before a couple times. I think when we did the exhaust. This car needs to go to PQ and I needed to go to PQ, so it kind of works out. Gotta say, man, these N55s sound great. Unbiased opinion, I think N55 sounds a little bit better than B58. B58 sounds great, but it doesn't have like it's hard to explain it. It's just like mellow. Like almost all B58s sound the same. Like they don't really sound unique, but the N55s have a nice aggressive tone. So I've always liked the sound of N55s. So you guys may remember I did have an M2 before. I had an F87 just like this one. Mine was just LCI. This is a 2017. I had a 2018. So just like the dash was a little different and headlights, tail lights, etc. I had fun with it. I liked it a lot. It was a cool car. I loved the way it looked, but I had a manual and I didn't really like the manual that much. I just feel like for the F87 M2, the DCT is a better option since the car is like a little bit underpowered. It's a great track car, great canyon car. You can easily daily this car. It's comfortable, but it just has a small gas tank and it just eats gas. I mean, I like M2s. They're great looking cars. They drive really good. It's probably one of the best cars I've had handling wise. Would I buy another one? I don't know if I'd buy another one. I would drive another one. So yeah, like I was saying, we're just babysitting this car today. It is getting some coilovers installed. Currently right now the car is on stock suspension with H&R springs. I think the shocks have seen better days. So they found some budget coils, some BCs with like camber plates, great like entry-level coilovers. They ride decent and you know, you get to lower your car more than you can with springs, so it's a plus, I would say. And bam, here we are, guys. The CEO's been clocked out recently, but we got 720 on the lift over there. You know, when you got a box this big, you're going crazy. My boy's getting intakes, exhaust. Homemade on the 720 is crazy, bro. Damn, where you get that merch, G? Damn, shit. Damn, where you get that merch, G? We're gonna be slamming this thing. Probably sit it about like right here. That should be cool. Yeah, this thing had a lip, but kind of flew off. Little camber plates. Some little BCs. Yeah, these things are cooked. All right, guys, we pretty much got one side. It's good news. That front end. Always love the M2 front end though. The new one, I don't know, that should look like a Lego, yo. Oh, that's right, that's right. The jam's bumping. I'm dead. All right, guys, so we got front's done. I just need to put it down. I don't know where it's gonna sit, but the rear shocks are cooked. I'll show you guys right now, done. Like, they have no rebound at all. Bruh. He's a grower, not a shower. He's like, hold on, give me a minute. Anybody want some shocks?
Hey, springs are good though.
No, man is just full digging in his booty.
Already adjusted the dampening, left it right in the middle, just to see how it rides currently. And as far as ride height, I don't know. We're gonna find out. Definitely way too high. It's higher than it was with the springs. Adjusted the front. We had to pull off the back again because it was a little too hard to adjust while it's on the car. There's no room. Should sit pretty nice. The rear is almost maxed. Front, Got some room, but it should sit pretty even. All right. It's sitting clean. It's even, shit. Looks good. Some little spacers for the stocks, but honestly, it's functional. Employees out here wearing Rolexes and shit, dude. I mean, it could be a little bit lower, but it's functional. God damn. Clean. All right, guys, it is time to get up out of here. Little M&Ms. Already way better. What the hell kind of rap? Hopefully no traffic on the way home. It's kind of early. DCT. Pops are loud, bro. Car for sure needs an alignment. It's a little bit off, but yeah, let's pull into the left. It's not that bad. Alignment, and this thing should be good to go. It feels so much better. The ride quality is drastically different. Wide body BRZ. True test is to see how it rides on the freeway, but so far city streets it's pretty good, and it's way better than before. I left the dampening right in the middle. Should be cool right here. Still has a little bit of comfort. It's not too stiff. It's so loud. I don't know why the verbals are so damn loud. Damn, yo. Nah, that's just crazy. It's so much smoother. That stock suspension was done. Yup, a lot better. Well guys, I'm gonna enjoy this ride. We're gonna have to make a part 2 of this video in the canyons. So gonna have to test these out, see how it feels. It's definitely night and day.